Hello, Mr. Cotton. My name's Richard. I'm your technician here at Inchcape Volkswagen. You service an MOT on your car today. Well, it's enough cut out complimentary vehicle health check. I've got some more items I'd like to bring to your attention. I did notice your front wiper blades were smearing on the screen, not cleaning it very effectively, so I'd recommend a set of those. Also, both your front and rear number plate are starting to delaminate in places as well. This will only get worse, so I'd recommend some plates. Measured all of your tyres. Near side front tyre is just over 5.5 mil tread depth. Your driver's front tyre, again around 5.5. They're both evenly worn and in good condition. Your front brake pads are measuring at 5 mil thickness. You can see the thickness of your pads of the yellow gauge compared to what they are new at the green. So around about 65% worn. I can't see any problems with your front suspension, and there's no leaks come from your engine area. Exhaust system, rear drivetrain's all okay. Heading towards the rear of the car. Offside rear tyre is around about 4 mil on the central tread depth, and on the inner side it's starting to wear down a bit to just under 3.5. Wearing a bit on the inner edge, and it has got some signs of cracking and perishing on the shoulder there, which is just due to the age of the tyre. Pretty much the same story with the near side tyre as well. Just under 4 mil, and then the outside just under 3.5. Again, a slightly bit of cracking and perishing, so an advisory on your MOT. Your rear brake pads are measuring at 3 mil thickness. You can see on the bed gauge there, compared to what they are new, so they're around about 80% worn, so coming towards the end of their life. This is particularly on your offside rear outer brake pad. You'll be able to see it from the wheel. It's down to 3 mil. No problems I can see with your rear suspension area. Apart from the items I mentioned, your car's in overall good condition. That's past its MOT. Thanks for using Inchcape Volkswagen. The service advisor will be in touch shortly.